Hello children, welcome to World of English. Do you like to learn English? I think so. Today we are going to do some reading. Do you like reading? Okay, let's try doing some reading. Right. Look here. Is this a word? Is this a word? CTA. Is this a word? What do you say? Is that a word? No, it's not a word. Why? Because there is no meaning. Because there is no meaning. As because there is no meaning, that's not a word. Right. Look at this one. CAT. CAT. Is this a word? Is this a word? Yes, this is a word. Why? Because there is a meaning. Because there is a meaning, therefore it's a word. CTA, that's not a word because there is no meaning. CAT, that's cat, that's a word because there is a meaning. Right. Look here now. Going, school, I am too. Going, school, I am too. It is a sentence. You find words, but is this a sentence? Can you think of it? No, that's not a sentence. Why? Because there's no meaning. Because there's no meaning. Right. Look here. I'm going to school. I'm going to school. Is this a sentence? Is this a sentence? Yes, that's a sentence. Why? Because there is a meaning. There is a meaning. Right. This one is not a sentence. Going, school, I am too. That's not a sentence because there's no meaning. Here, I'm going to school, that's a sentence because there's a meaning. Now you understand this point. Sentence, it has a meaning. Sentence, it has a meaning. Okay, now let's try doing some reading. Would you like to do some reading? Right. Now, let's see this. Sentence, meaning. That means any sentence has a meaning or an idea. A sentence has a meaning or an idea. So, understanding the meaning or the idea of the sentence. Understanding the meaning or the idea of the sentence is called reading, is reading. So, understanding the meaning or the idea of the sentence is called reading. Right. Now, we are trying to do some reading. You know, reading is fun. Reading is fun. Let's try some reading. Let's try some reading. Right. Okay, children. What's the sentence? I have 4 wheels. I have 4 wheels. I can go fast on road. I can go fast on road. I can carry a lot of passengers. I can carry a lot of passengers. People can board on me at a stop. People can board on me at a stop. I'm going to read these sentences again. You can read with me. I have 4 wheels. I can go fast on road. I can carry lot of passengers. People can board on me at a stop. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, yes, boys and girls, can you tell me? Bus. Bus. Okay, it's fun. I told you, let's try another fun activity. I have a face. I have a face. I have two hands. I have two hands. I am small. I am small. I tell you the time. I tell you the time. Okay, girls and boys, come on. Who am I? Who am I? Read the sentences with me. I have a face. I have two hands. I am small. I tell you the time. Who am I? Yes, clock. Clock. You see? Another. I am red and round. I am red and round. On a tree I am found. On a tree I am found. I am juicy and sweet. I am juicy and sweet. For you to eat. For you to eat. Can you read the sentences again? You can read with me. I am red and round. On a tree I am found. I am juicy and sweet for you to eat. Who am I? An apple. An apple. You see, children, reading is really fun. You can enjoy reading. You can enjoy it really. Reading is really, really fun. Right. Now, there's another picture. Pencil. Pencil. Do you want to know something about the pencil? So I'm going to give you a small paragraph. It's all about pencil. So now you should try to read that paragraph and understand something about the pencil. Okay? Get ready. Here is the paragraph. A pencil. A pencil is so useful. Children all over the world use pencils. You use a pencil to write answers to questions. In your drawing class, you use pencils to draw. Shall we read again? You can read with me. A pencil. A pencil is so useful. Children all over the world use pencils. You use a pencil to write answers to questions. In your drawing class, you use pencil to draw. Okay, now I'm going to give you two questions, two simple questions. The questions are on this paragraph. Let's see whether you can find the answers. Question number 1. Who use pencils? Who use pencils? What is the answer? Yes, who use pencils? The answer is there. Right. Children. Children. Good. Question number 2. Why do you use a pencil? Why do you use a pencil? Can you find answers? Can you find the answer? Okay, I hope you got the answer. To write, to draw. To write, to draw. See, it's so easy. Reading is so easy. Would you like to know something more about the pencil? Okay, I'm ready. See, let's read this paragraph. See the pencil? Right. Okay, girls and boys, get ready. You can read with me. You can read with me. Let's start. Hold up your pencil and look at it. You may have a wooden pencil or a plastic one. Both kind of pencils have something called graphite in them. It is this grayish black part of the pencil that does the writing and drawing. Right. Let's try reading the same again. Hold up your pencil and look at it. You may have a wooden pencil or a plastic one. Both kind of pencils have something called graphite in them. It is this grayish black part of the pencil that does the writing and drawing. Right. I hope now you understand that paragraph. Let's try some questions. Question number 1. What kinds of pencils you may have? What kinds of pencils you may have? Look at the paragraph and try to find the answer. Yes, this and here. Right. What kinds of pencils you may have? Wooden and plastic. Wooden pencils and plastic pencils. Let's try the second question. Let's try the second question. What is graphite? What is graphite? Right. What is graphite? You can find the answer in this sentence. When you read this sentence, you can find the answer. I hope you got the answer. What is graphite? The grayish black part of the pencil. The grayish black part of the pencil. That is graphite. Right. There's something more. We can learn more about the pencil. See, another paragraph. Let's try reading this as well. You may also have pencils of different colors with you. You use them to color all the pictures that you draw. These pencils do not have graphite in them. They have colors which make your drawings look beautiful. Okay? You can read with me. You may also have pencils of different colors with you. You use them to color all the pictures that you draw. These pencils do not have graphite in them. They have colors which make your drawings look beautiful. Right. Let's try to answer this question. Very, very simple question. Can you use pencils to color? Yes. Yes. Next question. Do the color pencils have graphite? Next question. Do the color pencils have graphite? Do the color pencils have graphite? You found the answer? No. No. Right. I told you reading is fun. It's so easy. Now I think you are very tired. Therefore, let's enjoy a little. You are ready? Okay. Now you can enjoy this. Right. Can enjoy. You find trees. Have you seen the wind? Have you ever seen the wind? Trees, leaves, branches, you say? The leaves are trembling. The leaves are trembling. The branches are bowing. The branches are bowing. This is wind. Have you ever seen the wind? You can enjoy. See? Right. It's really, really beautiful. Now, we are going to read an interesting poem about the wind. The title of the poem is Who Has Seen the Wind? Who has seen the wind? Let's try to read the first part of that poem. Who has seen the wind? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Right. The second part of the poem. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. This poem is written by Christina Rossetti. This poem is written by Christina Rossetti. I'm going to read the poem again. What is the title of the poem? Who has seen the wind? Who has seen the wind? Okay, let's read. You can read with me. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. This poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Right. Now, I'm going to give you some questions based on this poem. Now you have to get ready to write them. I think your pen and the paper are ready. Take your pen and the paper and start writing these questions. Okay? Are you ready? Right. Write down question number 1. Who has written the poem? Who has written the poem? Who has written the poem? Question number 2. What is it about? What is it about? Question number 4. Question number 4. Ready? I hope you are writing. What do the leaves do when the wind is passing by? What do the leaves do when the wind is passing by? Right. One more question. What do the trees do? What do the trees do when the wind is passing by? When the wind is passing by. See whether you have written all the questions correctly. Look at question number 1. Who has written the poem? What is it about? Number 3. What do the leaves do when the wind is passing by? Number 4. What do the trees do when the wind is passing by? Okay, unless you understand the questions, you won't be able to find the answers. Therefore, the first thing that you should know is you have to understand the questions. If you know the questions, you can easily find the answers. Now, look at this poem again. I'll give you few minutes to find the answers. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. The poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Okay, I hope your answers are ready. Now I am going to show you my answers. Let's check your answers and mine. Who has written the poem? Christina Rossetti. Question number 2. What is it about? What is it about? It's about wind. It's about wind. Question number 3. What do the leaves do when the wind is passing by? Hang trembling. Hang trembling. Last question. What do the trees do when the wind is passing by? They bow their heads. They bow their heads. Okay, girls and boys, I hope you got all your answers correct. Okay, now we have come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Before I wind up today's lesson, I want you to remember these 2 things. English is fun. I can do it. English is fun. I can do it. Thank you.